brush. What is going on in here?
Nothing.
The revolutionary HV01 from G-Tech. Powerful, highly efficient cleaning.
Why do people love using the G-Tech HV01 cordless handheld vacuum cleaner? Is it the amazing pickup ability?
I can easily pick up any mess that me or my children make. I throw my handheld and my dustpan right in the bin. It's just made life so much easier, and that's tough when you've got 2 children.
Is it because of its versatility?
I use the HV01 to clean a car or caravan, and my wife uses it around the house. The interchangeable heads means we've always got the right tool for the job, and we can get right into the nooks and crannies where the mess from the kids always collect.
Or is it because it saves you money?
It's good to know that it costs less than a penny a week to run. It's also good to know that I'm doing my bit for the environment by using an energy efficient product, and I don't even have to buy any filters or bags.
How does it do it? The G-Tech HV01 is a lightweight cordless handheld vacuum cleaner which utilises G-Tech's patented V technology. V technology increases the vacuuming power of the HV01 by forcing the air to flow down the 3 V channels, significantly increasing suction power. This increased power allows the G-Tech handheld vacuum to make light work of the usual household dirt and dust, as well as more heavyweight debris that ordinary cleaners would find impossible to remove. The G-Tech HV01, designed to make your life easier.